Good morning to everybody where they watch. Good morning to everybody where they watch us on top PADI this better Thursday morning. We they say
okay. Continue.
You do okay. What mean this?
No, they do sign language.
Okay, this one I continue.
Sure, you know, say since they do this election now, we they do sign language for different corners so that we just feel they help the whole thing. So
okay, all right.
Continue.
So we did say how una day. I hope so una day all right. Una sleep, wake up casually and everything. They splific for all of us. So therefore, we say welcome to PADI from Ogbolo Amayowa. Welcome to you this morning. That is it.
They don't show me when they do them. Now only your face they show when they talk them. So I can't they do the sign language to show everybody say, una welcome, una welcome to PADI this morning to you. Thank you. So they don't get announced. So everybody here, welcome, you're welcome to the show, and to the PADI. You know what they do on the Thursday things. Don't they approach Easter?
Oh yeah, tomorrow na Good Friday.
Tomorrow Good Friday.
Tomorrow na Good Friday.
Twerk it.
Sit down.
Don't they hit me,
They disrespect yourself.
You are disrespecting me.
Yeah, what?
Disrespect.
Well, see this is my head. I don't get this headache since yesterday.
Why?
You know, notice this morning, I just did on my own. This headache since yesterday, I don't know why. They say, some people say, I drink water. I drink full bucket of water. Nothing. Drink medicine.
Now this load where you carry for
I think so. I go soon come out. My
head you get small skull.
My head be like this.
So you can't go carry unsobu. They call them unsobu. You carry
put
on top head. You can't go they drag the whole thing. Sorry. Sorry.
In my head, it be like say they open and come they do rally.
So if I won't find you trouble now. I just pull your hair now.
I
don't see what I go take the way
make
forward
me shout because for every talk when they talk, the head they pain me.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah? Sorry, yeah? Why can't they?
Or in both they call them migraine.
Migraine?
Yeah.
Oh, she's expressing a migraine. It's a migraine something. Sorry, yeah?
Thank you.
Sorry, yeah? Why you do? Why you go do big things inside the whole thing?
Oh God!
All right, so now welcome to PADI show, and that's the whole thing they be, and then on Thursday, and on the waka enter Easter things where everybody go do reflecting things. All right, but onto the whole P. Now welcome again. We get my one, of course, Ogbolo. So for now, we'll go match break. We'll come back. By the time we come back, we'll pull match inside the whole thing and everything. All right, not go nowhere. And I see the PADI show. Jam us on top Twitter at Wazobia PADI.
Back! PADI pull over.
I don't let's pause for that place because of late night show. I think they jam for it. Who's coming back? Will they come back? We've got to go that way.
Grab your partner, swing around and do-si-do till y'all fall. That's it. Let's take a ride, get away. We'll leave the city folk, they'll have to stay. Don't have the back home.
He pain. That final one, he pain. He pain. But that goat own. It look like waiting Mayowa go fit do. Just keep goat for house. Mayowa go say, come on boy. He has pets now.
Pets.
So if you keep goat as pets for house.
The day I'm hungry, I chop am.
What is okay? Except that no, you know the other one is a reserve.
The day I'm hungry.
Now reserve.
Not be say I go just chop
one.
am. I go honor the goat. I go barbecue am.
Barbecue. Oh, now be the honor. Just spread them for up. You chop the thing one by one.
Fire go just the burn. I go just the roll only am.
Oh, no make me hungry. I beg.
They grill am.
Oh la la,
Oh, when you chop it, the juice go just good for your mouth. Like this.
Oh, my
Only go just chop you go just burn your mouth. Go do.
Oh, na
I'm telling you this.
People they fast too. Some people they fast now. You go make them they break the fast in the body. So please behave yourself, please. Namaste.
All right, to go enter the level of the yarn, make we carry the gist so we get can't give una this one. Respect yourself, drop your leg. Make we give you the gist what we can't give una this morning. So please, with all pleasure, we present to you the placard of yarn.
The yarn.
You
know go show you. Praise God though. JT come out though. Hey, it is.
All right, okay, so make I just start my first gist for you this morning. This one concerns a 12-year-old boy for inside the core town of China. Now, the name of the place now,
Jiangxi.
I must pronounce this thing. Jiangxi. Jiangxi. Jiangxi.
But we get some of them for our area here now. We just because they pronounce this thing right for us. Jiangxi.
Anyway, from inside China, for inside Jiangxi, for there, this particular 12-year-old, you know when they say person they sleepwalk, some people they do them. Like I get my friend Pekin, where they my place right now. If in they sleep, in they talk. For inside the sleep. Sometimes you go laugh. Sometimes you go. Now small 5-year-old boy, in they talk for inside
sleep.
That
person, you know if you keep secret to town.
You go just.
Now for inside dream, you go talk true.
All right, so this 12-year-old boy in the sleep talk, and as in the sleep talk, now in sleep talk fall from 4-story building. Now he fall for ground. Yes, sleepwalk. He dey sleepwalk. Oh, now he fall from 4-story building. Now waiting save him because they say car they parked for there, so he fall on top. The car. And surprisingly, he survived him. In fact, 5-story building, sorry. And surprisingly, he survived him because the doctor's talk said no life-threatening injury. Now, the problem we come there now be say, the baba will get the car.
Hey!
He come out to say, I beg. Insurance say they never do this kind of insurance before. Say, he not too sweet because he just buy this motor when this thing happen. But last, we hope say we thank God say the boy no lost in life.
Yes.
And he no survive injury go threaten in life. But the guy they sleepwalk. So make una once in a while they check up on our children.
You go see people they lock their children room now.
I'm telling you.
Just in case you go stand up, they sleepwalk now.
Because a lot of children they sleepwalk and they sleep talk. And in fact, my mama didn't tell me one time say erekpa na in they cause some erekpa for Yoruba means when Pikin play too much. Pikin no know siesta. He no know to rest for afternoon.
Wait, you should say some not be witchcraft.
Ogbolo, you know say before witchcraft explanations dey for everything. You understand?
Because if they call them now, in French they call
why you think say why you think say
2 a.m.
Why you think say some mothers and they like they carry their pikin go peace for night before they finally go sleep.
Okay, that last
because then they try stop them from bedwetting.
Yes.
You understand? So that's why even for schools, these days kindergarten then they observe siesta for children because when you play their brain it need to rest. Then be children.
Well,
you understand?
That means specific go sleepwalk na enter express. Just the worker they go. So some people they sleepwalk reach old age, reach when they don't 30, 20, 40. Not be joke now. But don't anyone you shall want to do, no you go sleep do. Or say you go sleep thief. They're not gonna say that they sleep.
They're not gonna say whether they sleep.
Say you go sleep or you go sleep by first touch that person wife.
Inside your sleep you go wake.
You go wake
till you die.
If you like say you no go wake, electric. Go plug electric, you go wake up. Not be joke.
But we thank God for the life of the 12-year-olds. And I beg parents, they careful. Check up on your children. You know, if you stop them from playing, but try and control how did they play. Control it,
please. Now, for my own gist this morning. Now, I'm very proud on the P of this particular team because me and my twins. You understand? And this particular story, you are sweeting my rat. You understand me now? Triplets. This one, our Yubo gist too. Triplets for that side for Obodo Yubo. Them, 3 ladies. They like the same kind of food. they like the same kind of clothes. They can't like the same kind of things and everything. Not be every triplet or twin set of twins. They like that.
They don't even like
They
themselves.
like some they don't even battle themselves. Two feel they agree, one no go agree. Or two feel resemble, one no go resemble the remaining. But this particular triplet like this, they resemble themselves finish. They can't marry the same day. To guys, they can't resemble themselves. You see the picture like this? They resemble themselves, the men resemble themselves, the girls self. But the only thing on their wedding day, we just differentiate each from each, now the bouquet with the hold for hand. Just to say, now me be this, one of them named, waiting be that in this is, okay, all of them come from, now Brazil, everything happened. But the men said, they even complain, sometimes they even confuse who be who. They confuse who be who. One of them, Rachel, something like that, Rochelle. She they cook one day. All the sisters they did for the same kitchen. One they wash plates, one they cook, and that one they do another thing. So there you don't enter. So you not fair hailing wife for where she did. As in turn back, the one where they cook can't switch from the one they arrange plates. And that one forget. You don't know. Can't go hug down from back. Darling, as that one turn. Oh, I'm not your wife. Oh, sorry. This kind of thing, men are not gonna do this thing.
And they play. Hey.
The other husband no go hear say that mistake.
Other husband pay you. They go see the children and go say, see, this is your mommy, but I don't know how it happened that she now became
your mommy. This is your original mommy before, but this one
something like this. Mommy, look like you have the eye of this mommy.
Exactly. Due to a mistake somewhere.
In the identification of your mommy.
We now sleep doing. I beg you. These triplets matter. But I for saying they for try to differentiate themselves somehow.
Somehow, maybe with a mark or
some they do different hair.
Or
I know some of my friends they will be twins, two girls who resemble themselves well. To cause their papa said they had to know who be who.
Who be who. You know,
know who be who.
Funny enough, I don't know any identical twins like that. Now only one I know, and when I did secondary school, and then be my juniors, Taya and Kenny that time. Now the only identical twins when I know, those children, those girls, there's a bit play prank. There's a bit dodge cane.
We get one for secondary school, Cosmos and Damian. Cosmos and Damian, those boys were evil. They born a whole class. A full class, so they all born out. We come they ask, who do am? Cosmos and Damian. Damian, who do am? Say na Cosmos. Who that tough na punishment? They beat the two now and then they move money. They fall just for evil things, so not be say that they be thieful, just to hide your money and everything. But na good story, and we thank God at least more they carry sweet gist like this can they give you now.
So therefore, future husband, please listen to it. We have to burn a triplet. Okay?
But they rub body with me very well, you understand? So as a twins myself.
I beg make we go break.
You know, share.
Your own type. Your type.
Receive the triplet.
I beg come on there.
Receive
You know
the
say
triplet now.
make I tell you Ogbolo no they rub me for national TV. You know say respect yourself.
Forget that thing. You don't slap, they know if he rob you.
Ogbolo, I will wound you. If you see Ogbolo twin sister,
yes,
she did very, very fine. Sometimes I wonder. Yeah. And they wonder say whether na the same place, na two of them, two of them come out.
Me.
Because if like say that Ogbolo sister, then burn am, this one na fall.
No, but that my sister, oh bloody, that girl like business. Now only coffee never sell. That girl like, now she like business. Me I like performance. She like business. She gonna make me that year. They look like I know they try.
Like say you don't sabi anything, you don't get talent.
That girl don't sell everything. So just sabi sell. She be looking like this.
Well, let's sell your hand.
Business, Joyce baby.
Oh my God! Shout out to you, baby. We love you so much.
Yeah.
All right, so we go just back break for here. When we come back, we continue with Padi. Shortly, no go anywhere.